Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, November 14th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's talk about what exactly was moving the markets yesterday. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For personalized investment solutions and high-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, the stock market wrapped up a bit mixed yesterday. The Standard & Poor's 500 edged just above the flat line, while the Dow inched up by about 10 basis points. The Nasdaq, though, dipped a bit, down 0.3% by the close. One big thing driving the markets right now, fresh inflation data. Consumer prices rose as expected in October, with the Consumer Price Index up 2.6% from last year and 0.2% from the previous month. Core inflation, which strips out more volatile food and energy prices, also met forecasts, rising 3.3% year over year and 0.3% for the month. So, nothing shocking in the numbers, but it's enough to keep inflation in the spotlight. Inflation is back on the front burner for investors, especially after the big post-election rally lost a bit of steam. There's some speculation that President-elect Donald Trump's policies could fuel both economic growth and, well, more inflation. And that's keeping upward pressure on Treasury yields, which could lead to higher borrowing costs across the board. As for the Fed, the consensus seems to be that they're still on track for a rate cut next month. Minneapolis Fed President Neel Kashkari highlighted yesterday that inflation data is crucial to their decision-making right now. In fact, at a finance conference, he noted that if inflation surprises on the upside, that might give us pause. According to the CME FedWatch tool, over 80% of traders are betting on that December cut. So, barring any big surprises, it looks like the market is expecting the Fed to stay the course. Oh, and a quick crypto update. Bitcoin made headlines too, hitting a new high just north of $93,000 before pulling back a bit. It's all part of the recent crypto craze that keeps building momentum. Alright, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to check back tomorrow for your next market rundown.